It's your partner, Mr. Cosmic here with another Training Academy video. We're talking about buying calls today, which is now one of my most favorite things. And a little bit of background about me. I've been trading for about over 5 years now. And I've been building a dividend portfolio. And this is an example of what my portfolio looks like. This is what I'm doing. As you can see, I'll go through this real quick. You can see some of my ETFs. First thing is I build a portfolio with ETFs. Why do I do that? Because ETFs have several different stocks involved in them, so I don't have to go pick out individual stocks. That helps me hedge against the losses. Two, most ETFs pay dividends, so which means quarterly, monthly, monthly, yearly. I'm gonna get dividends off each one of these. Depends upon when did it pay out, and so that's the things that you need to know. Second thing is that I also want to make sure that you know is that I like to look for ETFs that have a option chain. So an important thing to check is to see if it has an option chain. If it doesn't have an option chain, then I'm trying to veer a little bit away from that because I only want to own ETFs that I like, ETFs that pay good dividends and consistently growing, and ETFs that have an option. The reason why is so that I can buy 100 shares of the ETF and then I can sell calls against it. So let's get into it. You see, I have DIV. Quantity is 100. Tomorrow, I'll be recording a video probably showing me purchasing 100. Or selling a call option against that. You see the price right now. You're selling 881. This is what it changed today. It cost me 885. Market value right now is 881. $881. Gains and loss over here, and so on and so forth. You can see different ETFs that I have. So, for example, let's go down here. We see AMLP, and I'll keep this short for you guys to respect your time. MLP, here you see an option chain. Again, I'm trading in the TD Ameritrade platform. And I'm also using not the Thinkorswim. For those who don't know, TD Ameritrade has several different platforms. I'm using the classic website. Okay, so this is the classic website. I like it because it's cleaner and it's easier for a new person. Thinkorswim is good, and you can adjust it as well, but it takes a bit of time to work your way around it and learn about it. Also, TD Ameritrade have training, and also they'll get on the phone with you, I think, once a year, twice a year, and walk you through anything that you have confusion about. So today's September 1st, about to be September 2nd tomorrow. Let's just say we only go 1 week out. Most people, they say they look at implied volatility or they look at delta. For this case, I'm just looking to sell my options more than I bought them for and get a premium. So that's income. And I'll get more into depth of that on another video, but I'm going to make this one quick. So here's AMLP. This is September 9th. That's a week out to expiration. Let's slide this over. Let's take a look at it. So AMLP, how much did I buy AMLP for? Price cost me, let's see my cost. Oh, there's my cost. AMLP cost me $450 altogether. So, that's the thing. You have to make sure that whatever you pay less than whatever you sell it for, you sell it for less than. Right now, AMLP, I'm at a gain of $9.95, 13%. Okay, so if we sell it for more than I charged on it, which is about somewhere around $34, which I'm going to put that up there next time I see that it's not on there. But I paid around $34 for AMLP. So right now, AMLP is selling it for about $39.23. You can see it here, $39.23. Okay, so right now I'm in profit. So anything that I sell above now, I'm going to make money off of. So if I say I want to sell it for $39.50 right here in 1 week, and this is assuming an AMLP that I have 100 shares. So right now I haven't got it up to 100 shares, but I'm working on that. And what I do is I go right in here to the option chain, sell that for $45. And if I sell that for $45, not only do I get $45, but I also get the difference between how much I paid for AMLP and the $45. So if you imagine, if I sold 100 of those at $40 each, that's $4,000. If I paid $35 for them, then that's $4,000 plus $500. You see what I'm saying? 40 plus $500. So that's a gain of $500 on top of it. So that's the example of what I'm trying to say about this. So, if I took it right at $45, then I would make a nice little profit in 1 week. So then that's probably what I'm going to do tomorrow. And this is an example with the option chain. what it looks like and stuff. So, you guys just think about it when you're selling calls. Look at the option chain. Make sure that you're selling a call for more than what you bought the underlying stock for, because then you're really not losing. Unless you consider losing that the stock price went up much higher and you end up having to sell it for cheaper. But to me, I get that out of my mind. That's a loser's mentality, because just remember, you can't lose making a profit. So as long as you made a profit, you didn't lose. As long as you're in green, you won. So, yes, could you have possibly won more? Yes. But the thing is, you have to look at the 52-week average and see, does AMLP shoot up to 53? Shoot up to that. So we can see right here, if we wanted to look at it, it shoots up to about somewhere close to 43. So ideally, if I wanted to, if in the option chain it was offering that kind of a number that's worth taking, I might put it at $43. So, and this is a 1 year chart. So I might put it at $43 because in 1 year it hasn't hit that in the last year. And then, hey, I might keep my shares and keep $45 on top of that. So, just an example of how you sell call. And if I end up keeping shares, keep in mind, I'll also keep the dividends as well. And you're probably still going to get a dividend just from owning 100 shares at one point in time. And think about that too. $3.62. That's not nothing to sneeze at. Distribution yield is 7.42. I mean, what savings account to put your money in, or checking account you're gonna put your money in? You're making 7%, 6%, even 3% over the year. Some of them are getting up there now. Some of the savings accounts are getting up there, but usually that's the introductory rate. But anyway, all right, guys. Mr. Cosmic Training Academy. That is how I set up to start buying call options on the Ameritrade. I wish you guys all the best of luck. Like and subscribe if this information helped you. If you like these type of videos, I'm gonna keep coming with them. Cosmic Training Academy, we train, travel, and trade. And just hit me up. Hey, comment below AMLP if you're feeling this ETF.